Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. I am really happy to see you here today. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. Today's topic is very important. Many people ask me this same question again and again. How can I speak English fluently without hesitation? Maybe you feel the same. You understand English, you can read English, you can write English. But when it is time to speak, your mind suddenly goes blank. Your heart starts beating faster, and your words don't come out. If this happens to you, just relax. This video is made for you. Why do we feel hesitation while speaking English? First, let us understand the real reason. We hesitate because we are afraid of making mistakes. We think too much about grammar. We translate from our native language. We feel shy and nervous. This is completely normal. Almost every English learner feels this way. You are not weak. You are simply learning. Step 1. Stop trying to be perfect. This is the most important step. Always remember one thing. Perfect English does not exist. Native speakers make mistakes. Teachers make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Your goal is not perfect grammar. Your goal is clear communication.
When you stop trying to be perfect, your fear starts to go down. And when fear becomes smaller, your confidence becomes stronger. Speak first, correct later. Remember, confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes after speaking, again and again. Do not wait for confidence. Start speaking, and confidence will follow. Step 2. Start thinking in English. Hesitation comes from translation. You think in your own language, then translate into English, and then try to speak. This process is slow, so what should you do? Start thinking in English. Think small. Think simple. When you wake up, think, I am awake. When you drink tea, think, I am drinking tea. When you go outside, think, the weather is nice today. Slowly, your brain will adjust to English, then speaking will feel natural. Step 3. Speak every day, even alone. You don't need a partner. You don't need a teacher. You don't need a classroom. You only need your own voice. Talk to yourself every day. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself. Speak kindly and freely. Talk about your day, your work, your plans, your feelings. Even 5 minutes a day is enough. Daily speaking removes fear. Every time you speak, your fear becomes smaller. Every sentence makes you stronger. Fluency grows with practice, not silence. The more you speak, the easier it becomes.
Step 4. Use simple words and short sentences. Many learners think fluency means big words. This is not true. Fluency means simple words, clear meaning, smooth flow. Use short sentences. Speak slowly. Take pauses when needed. Simple English sounds confident. Simple English sounds natural. Your accent is not a problem. Your accent shows you are learning something new. People care more about your message than your grammar. Even simple English can carry strong meaning. Step 5. Listen more to speak better. Listening is food for your brain. Listen to short English videos, easy stories, slow conversations. Listen carefully, then repeat out loud. This improves pronunciation, sentence structure, natural speaking style. Your mouth learns by copying what it hears. Step 6. Stop being afraid of people. People are not your enemies. They are not always judging you. Most people respect effort. Most people understand learning. If someone laughs, ignore them. Your growth is more important. Confidence grows when you face fear.
Step 7.
Make English part of your daily life. Don't learn English only from books. Live with English. Use English while cooking, walking, working, traveling. English becomes easy when it becomes a habit. Step 8. Be patient and kind to yourself. Fluency is not magic. It takes time. Some days will be good. Some days will be difficult. But every day you practice, you move one step forward. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Go at your own speed. Small daily practice brings big results over time. Even a few minutes of speaking can change your future. Final words from my heart. My dear friends, you can speak English fluently. You already have the ability. You just need practice and courage. Your voice deserves to be heard. Do not hide your English inside you. Let your words come out freely. Speak without fear. Speak without shame. Today is the best day to start. Never give up. Never stop speaking. Your voice matters. My dear friends, before you leave, remember one thing. You are not bad at English. You are not slow. You are not weak.
You are learning, and learning takes time. Every time you try to speak, you become better than yesterday. Even if your voice shakes, even if your sentence is not perfect, please don't stay silent because of fear. Silence never improves English. Only speaking does. Your mistakes are not failures. They are signs of progress. They show that you are brave enough to try. Speak in simple English. Speak in your own style. Your accent is part of you. It tells your story. Never compare yourself with others. Your journey is different. Your speed is different, and that is okay. Some days you will feel confident. Some days you will feel afraid. But please continue. Please don't stop. Even one sentence a day can change your future. Even 5 minutes of speaking builds confidence. Small steps every day create big results. I believe in you, and you should believe in yourself too. If this video gave you hope, if it made you feel calm, if it made you feel stronger, then please stay connected with this channel. Subscribe to Smooth English Talks. This is your safe place to learn English. Here, mistakes are welcome. Here, practice is respected. Here, your voice matters. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for being part of this journey. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never forget, you can speak English fluently. See you in the next video. Take care, my dear friends, and keep speaking from your heart.